Shout out Don Wanda. Morning. How you going? Hope you're having a good one. Little, very, very short piece of advice today. Get outside. I tend to come here when I can, and just being outside, being amongst nature, it's obviously proven to be a healthy determinant for our mental health, but it's really full of insights, I think. Like just simply looking around, being silent, being okay with doing nothing in an often like chaotic day-to-day life. I think it's just beautiful. And yeah, so whatever you do today, get outside, enjoy nature in some way. Just sit there and seagulls going crazy. Just sit there and be still, like be silent. Well, hello. Be okay with doing nothing. And like I guarantee you, if you sit there, be silent, and just sit in a space of awareness, something amazing will come. Something that's been bugging you, or if you've been in a bit of a rut, something will come through. Because you're allowing yourself to be clear just for a moment, probably for the first time in a long time. Just being silent and doing nothing. I guarantee you will have some sort of insight, some sort of something helpful, just to help you on your way. But yeah, I'm at Lily Billy Point, by the way. This is an incredible spot. It's at low tide, and sun has been rising, as you can see behind me. It's looking not bad. And this will probably be the spot I do my little sunrise sessions, which I've talked about. The 100% I want to do them. Creating a community that is focused on just showing up and bettering each other, bettering themselves, creating an open dialogue, creating connections, just really fostering community empowerment. So this will probably be the place we do it. It's like this rock off of Lily Billy Point. Like I won't explain where, but it's a really good spot. When it's low tide, you have this huge rock to just sit on and look at the landscape in front of you and enjoy the sounds, even though seagulls are fucking annoying. Enjoy the sounds because they are just doing their thing. But yeah, get in nature today. Enjoy it. Just give yourself 15 minutes if it's on your lunch break, or you have a bit of time in the morning or a bit of time in the afternoon. Get outside, walk the dog, or just walk yourself. Get outside. Just sit in awareness of everything around you. It's really beautiful. Like, not to be so like, I don't know. But it is beautiful. It is really cool. Just look around and see things, and everything is still. Everything is okay and safe right now. It's just beautiful. So, yeah, have a good one.